Hi friends, welcome to Krishna's Tech Info. In this video we can see how to install Git on Ubuntu. Git is a standard for distribution version control system, majorly used by the developers nowadays. You can keep track of your code changes using the Git. You can also revert back to the previous stages. You can create branches and to collaborate with your fellow developers, you can use the Git. Now we can see how to install Git on Ubuntu. You can use the apt-get install git command to install Git, and we can also see the other method, and I'm going to use the other method to install it using the source package. So before that we can install the dependency packages for installing using the source package. I'll give enter. I'll give us to download and install the packages. This will take some time. Now the dependency packages are installed. Next, change directory to user source. Now we can download the Git package which we are going to use to install Git. Now give enter. Now it is downloading the package. Now the package is downloaded. Now we can extract the package using the tar command. Now it is extracted. Now change the directory to Git directory. Now you can see the installation files. Next we can run the make command to compile all packages first. This will compile all the packages for installation. Now the compile process is done. Now we can install Git using this command. Now give enter. Now the installation is done. Now we can check the Git version, git version. Now we can see the Git version 2.27.0 is installed. Next we can configure Git. First we can create the user using the gitconfig command. Next we can set the email for the user using the user.email. You can use the gitconfig list command to list our configuration. You can also view the configuration in .gitconfig file. In this video we saw how to install Git in two ways on Ubuntu. Thanks for watching this video. Post your comments and suggestions. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button to get instant notifications on my videos. You can follow me on this Instagram ID and Facebook page. For any queries you can reach me on this Skype ID.